Hello everyone, welcome back to the Phone Museum. Today we are looking to the Samsung Gear S3 with a Galaxy wearable application. Again, the one of reason previously we look at the other Android phone connect with the Gear S3 with Tizen version 2.3. But now I want to show the Tizen 2.3 connect with Galaxy device, not Android device, because there's some settings are different and there's some feature you can only using in Galaxy device. In the beginning, there's a little menu bar. I can see all the Gear or Galaxy, the wearable device I connect to this phone. I can disconnect, auto switch, manage device and those kind of stuff. This is same. And you can see there's a battery percentage, and in the notification it's almost all same. Show only while wearing, like show while using the phone. Everything is technically same. The one difference thing is smart relay. So this is other Android does not support, but if you're using Galaxy, then it support in Galaxy. So which means if you get the message and you just look at the message and you turn on the phone, then the phone automatically go to that message app and open up that message for you. So you don't have to go to the message app and click that conversation. So it's convenient, but me sometimes I don't want to see that right away. Instead of I want to go to internet and search something. So to me, I'm not really, because I'm not the fast repliers. So to me, it's like sometimes it's too hassle. That's why I turn off. But other person, maybe they can find out very useful feature. That's one missing out the other Android device. Apps is basically same. You can reorder. It's same as before. Those are same, and those are same. But the one application you miss out from other Android device, which is email. So email, you can see all the sync email. You can add account, and you can edit a quick response for the email, and you can edit signature as well. So when you quick reply with the Gear S3, then at the end there's like sent from my Samsung Galaxy Watch. Wait a second, this is not a Galaxy Watch, that's Gear. Okay, so I guess after Galaxy Watch, they update the signature as well. I just realized that. And like phone, or same, you can add another reply. Oh, another difference is weather. In other Android, the weather, if you click the location or setting, then it's just inside of the Galaxy wearable application to change the setting. But in here, as you can realize, it's actually going to the Samsung weather application and weather setting, which means there is syncing. So that's one different thing. And message, just quick response. And same for the voice memo when to auto copy and those kind of stuff. And you can manage app up here, and you can uninstall it, those kind of stuff. And another different thing I think I mentioned in the other Android with Gear S3, which is, there's, so actually you can sync, just select playlist. So if I want to auto sync, then I can choose which playlist I want to share. I can pick multiple playlists, or I just want to pick one playlist, something like that. So I don't have to sync music file. I just just select playlist, and I can change every day or whatever, those kind of stuff. Image, the settings are same. Send SOSs, same. And find my device is also same. You can lock, reset, and reactivation lock, those kind of stuff. And general, only reset again. And when you're using with the Galaxy Watch, you can also activate the Samsung Pay as well. And call forwarding, account and backup, I think is, and everything is same. My Samsung account, backup and restore. And when you go here, other Android phone with, I should say, non-Galaxy Android phone, you only see the notification and find my watch and find my phone. But if you're using Galaxy device, then actually the message and email, and also you saw in the application section, email app only activate when you connect with the Galaxy. If you connect with non-Galaxy, the email application is disabled. So this email app is syncing with the Samsung email app. That's why I think that's one of the reasons. And message, if you're using just non-Galaxy device, then you can receive message. Though, for example, my watch about LTE, this LTE device. So if I activate this device with my carrier, whatever carrier, then I can receive from the Gear a phone number. But if you're using Samsung phone, then if I receive the message from phone, then I can see that message from my Gear as well, which was missing from a non-Galaxy device. So I think that those two are pretty big stuff, because me, I really want to catch up my email and message, but sometimes I'm missing those messages if I'm not using Galaxy device. So that's a different thing. And social network share, which is same, share workout results via Facebook. Then it just take me to the Samsung Health, and like if I want to step this one, then I can just share, and it's gonna come out the share thing, and I can share whatever I want. Also, I can sync phone settings, so my phone connect to the Wi-Fi, different Wi-Fi with the password. Then watch is automatically sync those Wi-Fi password. So even I don't have to type up Wi-Fi password, I can connect that Wi-Fi, which is very convenient, because think about it. Usually Wi-Fi password is kind of alphabet with the number, and it's very hassle to type in this small keyboard. So this is very useful. And also same watch update, tips, manual, and about watch. This is technical or same. And watch faces is same as well. I can just click watch face to download. Right now it's downloading, and those kind of stuff. And also I can go to the Samsung Galaxy device, but I guess this one is not comparable with my things. I guess Gear S3 is now is like outdated since it came out. I don't know, is it like 7 years? So sure, whatever. And discover, you can see all the things, and if I click it, it will hijack to the Galaxy Store, so I can download it from those apps from Galaxy Store, which is different than non-Galaxy device as well. Non-Galaxy device, it take you to the web Galaxy App Store kind of stuff, but this one is actually take me to the application app stores, like Galaxy Store. So those are different. So yeah, this video is pretty short, since I just cover with what's the difference between non-Galaxy and Galaxy device. Even the watch operating system is the same. Technically this is 2.3.26. So when I take recording previously, it was 2.3.24, but it was like very small minor changes. So Galaxy device, like for Gear S3, if you're using with Galaxy, you have more future to play with it. So now we talk about the difference in Galaxy wearable application. So now let's go to the what's different in Gear S3 itself. So I will cover with few stuff. Since it's a Tizen 2.3, so basically it's the same, like almost user interface exactly same as non-Galaxy and Galaxy. Of course, it cannot change based on which phone they're connected. So it's basically same, those kind of stuff. So yeah, so those UI they're same, but different thing is if I receive an email, so before I cannot receive email, but now I can receive email because there's email application which is synced with the Samsung email app. So I can reply, then I can reply with the voice or emoji, those like preset, and I can like write or type the keyboard as well. And also I can see in the phone or open the app, block apps or clear all. And as you can see, I can see more those email. If that technically is hijack me to the email application, but you can do that. And also when you get the message, then I can reply from here as well. That's very convenient. And other than that, the basic application, they're all technically same. Like message. Now, as you can see, I actually getting the message, where my phone getting message. Before, I cannot get message from my phone. So that's a big change. That's really useful. Especially I have to type the like 6-digit number for the security, then my phone usually in my pocket or is in somewhere. Usually it's not always next to me because I have so many things to do here. So then when I type the code on my laptop, then it just I can see the 6 number and just type the 6 number, easy peasy. So this is very useful. And what else? Oh, of course, there's an email app. I can see there's a 14 unread email. I think I need some catch up. Other than that, like those are other third-party applications. So yeah, pretty much that's it. So email and a message are big difference between non-Galaxy and Galaxy device. And for the S-Voice is same because the S-Voice server is shut down because Samsung, they're more focused on Bixby, so they shut down the S-Voice. This server is gone, so if I say check whether it listened the previous one, so there's things, but that's not a big problem if it's connected to the server and it received the information. But since it cannot connect to the internet to process those information, so it just say I cannot do it. Try it later, but you can't because the server is gone. So technically same. So I have to wait until Tizen 4.0, then you can use Bixby. Oops. Yeah, so technically that is it for this video. I will update this watch and come with Tizen 3.0 or 4.0 or something like that. Thank you so much and see you later.